Okay.
While you driving.
You did it! Like nothing.
I was close.
On this one too?
There you go, forward.
He's sitting on his rear axle.
Driver forward. All right, crank it, passenger back slow. Give him some room. A little bit more, Geos.
Yo, back up a little bit. Does he have sliders?
Yeah, he does have sliders.
Those are metal. Those are metal down there.
Yeah.
Hey, hang on for a second. No, these are plastic.
They are?
Yeah. Well, you got a little bit of a rock down there.
Hold on a second.
If I can get out of the way wherever you can get by me, we can get back. Go to bypass. That's why I'm asking about the bypass. If you can leave, just saying you're going.
Go forward. There you go.
Warming up them tires.
Back up and we'll put this rock under his wheel.
There you go.
A little more.
Keep
A
going,
little
a little
more.
more. Oh, yeah. Put your foot on the brake.
Okay.
I hate that moment because you sit
Alright.
there and you like you
Forward.
Yeah, it's part
You
of it.
depend
man.
on
You
what
just
people
watch.
tell
We're
you.
always in this. Everyone's in there.
There you go.
Right.
Hey.
Slow, slow, slow.
Nice.
Okay,
Alright,
go.
go.
You want to straight? He wants to go over that, not.
Yeah.
down the
Back up just a little bit, DJ. Nope, nope. Keep your wheel exactly how you are. Back up. All right, stop.
Pull this one out of the way so he at least doesn't catch that shit. You're doing great, DJ.
All these 4Runners modify the trail for them.
All right, go drive. Zach, how's he on that side? I'm gonna bring him. Don't do anything. Zach, how's he on that side? I want to bring him straight up and over this rock.
He needs to go driver a little bit.
Yeah, go angle driver.
Just a little
Go.
bit.
A little bit more. More.
Right there.
No, because there's a rock right here. Driver more, DJ. More G.
Never take my new car to this trail.
Go.
And then deal with it later. You're gonna have to move this rock. You're gonna have to move it.
Nice,
There you go.
nice,
There you go.
nice, nice, nice.
Hey, there you go. You're there. There you go.
Straight. Straight until you go up and then passenger. Passenger. Straight. Driver.
Yeah.
Stay that line. Straight.
Picked it up in Seattle. Yeah, a couple days ago.
There you go.
You want to keep the video while I'm getting my car?
Yeah.
Thanks, it's working.
Okay, keep coming straight. Straight. Go up, go driver. Driver. Right there. Keep coming. Okay, passenger. Oh. Slow.
That's what you got the skid plates for.
Keep coming. By the farm for a second. There you go. Okay.
We're gonna bring him up right.
Why don't we put him here? This would be a good one.
I think. You don't think that's easier?
I'm saying get him over here.
On your side, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, actually, yeah. If you
Back up.
No, he can make it if he just
Go
goes
pat-
driver. And then he'll come up on this. And
Yeah.
then his driver tire will be over here.
Driver forward.
Up. Slow. Driver.
At this point, you might, now go for slow.
Crawl.
Do you have like a crawl? This is a Toyota, doesn't it
put
have
on
crawl
the crawl
mode?
mode.
It
That's
does have crawl
badass. I saw an Instagram video with that.
There you go.
Fuck yeah, buddy.
We're catching on the rear
Driver!
trailing arm. We're catching on the rear trailing arm.
Back up a little bit.
Hold on, if you can get up on this rock and fast, tire clear there.
Maybe
Yeah.
another rock, I think, under the passenger. Like this rock right here, yeah?
Yeah, if he can come up on this, it'll lift that up. Back up a little bit. Okay, straight.
Up.
Oh, you gotta watch that front cross member.
Straight up on the rock right here.
Go straight. Come forward. Crawl.
Oh, dude, you're catching the underside.
Huh?
Yeah.
If he gives it the beans, will he hurt
Just
anything?
stack some rocks, have it back up and load it up in there.
Yeah.
Hold on, stay right there, DJ.
No, have it back up so you can fill.
Oh, I see. He's sitting on frame.
Yep.
Okay.
That's fine though.
He doesn't need to even back up. That's perfect right there.
Don't move, DJ. Forwards.
Same angle?
Same angle. I got a rock right underneath you, bud.
Should we try and stick this one right
Back up
there?
with the hair. Buy half of the farm, not the whole one.
There you go.
Now, should we try and stack a couple? Or
You wanna come look it down here? Maybe go.
Well, it's framed, so I'm not
Yeah.
too worried about it because it's not suspension.
Maybe go up passenger.
Actually, we need to go straight. Straight around.
It's good, man. You're getting good angles.
what a monster!
All right, come forward. Driver,
Yeah, I'm getting high center.
are you locked?
Yeah,
You're locked?
I'm locked.
Why didn't that side turn?
It's got a rear locker, not a front. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, turn around, go reverse.
Where are you high centered?
On the passenger frame.
I mean, if I can get back out there.
Lower control arm.
Honestly, man, you're too far in. Like,
You have that rock?
you're halfway in.
Yeah, so go right back where you are. Keep going back. Back. A little bit more. A little bit more. Okay, stop right there. Now, the minute you feel it sink, give it a little bit of beans. Let me get out of the way. Driver just a little bit. There you go, right there.
Yeah!
Driver.
Woohoo! Woo! Hell yeah!
Hell yeah, brother!
Driver. Straight. Okay, stop right there.
2021. It's brand new.
386 miles.
DJ, you are my hero.
Okay, driver, all the way, hard over. Crawl. Okay, passenger. Okay, driver.
Gotta give him room to get out the way.
Yeah, you're like, run!
I don't want to fall over. I don't want to hit him.
Okay, keep going.
Got a skid plate for that. And that.
Okay, stop right there. All right, you're good line. Keep coming.
Dude, you still haven't touched the paint. You're good.
Passenger. Straight. You're gonna touch that rock. Keep straight. Passenger, hard over. By the farm.
Woo! Woohoo!
Skid blades.
Yeah.
Spare tire.